Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can issue credit notes to customers on ClearBooks. To issue credit notes we need to go to sales section and there is credit notes. So we have an option, either we can issue credit note one by one or issue multiple credit notes in one go. I will show you how I can issue credit note one by one. So click on create credit note, select the customer, so I have J&T, select the date, reference, you can reference an invoice number if you wish to, otherwise leave blank. Description, I will call as product damaged, I will select account code, quantity, and I will add a price, so $24.80. If you used VAT when you issued invoice, apply correct VAT rate. You can add additional information under summary section, and we can manage attachments as well. When you click on preview, you'll be able to see this credit note. So there is a credit note for $24.80. And if we are happy, we can click on save. Now I have option to edit this credit note, email, make a copy, add attachment, get delivery note, view as PDF, or also mark as void. If I go to credit notes, I can see there is credit note issued to Jane, and under manage I have options to add attachments, email, get an online link, or look at PDF, which would be print or download. Also I can click on this little envelope and I can say in which way I have distributed this to my customer. Maybe I want to send directly from ClearBooks, then provide information here and click on send email. In my case, it was hand delivered. Okay, so this is how you can add one by one invoice credit notes. What to do if I have multiple credit notes to issue? Click on create bulk credit notes. Each credit note will have one line. So if you don't want 5 credit notes to add, just click on these crosses and other ones will be removed. So I have 2 credit notes to issue to Jane. So select a customer, you can add a reference if you have, so for example invoice number if you want to quote, and I have damaged goods for which I want to issue credit note. I can add the amount, so I have 8560 and select revenue code. Also I have another credit note to issue for Jane. If you know invoice number, you can quote it here, and it was for damaged goods as well, and this was for $22.50 and it was for revenue. So I select the same account code to which I have issued originally invoice to. If I need to copy, I can click on copy and above line would be copied. So it will make life easier to enter information. Just change amount and change your code, chart of accounts code, okay? And once you have added information here and you have happy with added details, click on save. If I go back to my credit notes, I can see 2 additional credit notes being issued here. If I select both of them, I can view by clicking on PDF. And here are both credit notes. So in this episode I showed you how you can issue credit note or issue credit notes in bulk on ClearBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further information, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my ClearBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.